You see them?
Yep.
Are they going in?
Let me see. They're all crawling inside.
Look at your belly.
And they're not going back to the branch anymore where they just were. They're all going to the crack.
To the box and you, honey. Your bee charmer.
I don't think they're going in.
Yeah, I can see them crawling in.
It just doesn't look like they're going in because there's so many of them.
Yeah, look at them
Because
crawling.
as they're going in, more are landing. We still have a lot in the air. And the ones that are in the air are
So they're all over there.
using your arm in the outside of the box.
I see some crawling out there too. Yeah, you're right. They're not going back up. They are going in now.
Now we're going to be stuck here for 20 minutes.
This was a big swarm.
Yeah, it was.
Well, we don't got 20 minutes really. We're gonna have to just take what we got, I think.
Yeah, well, Cody can probably grab it from there and
Hey,
bring
where's
it down.
that brush? Can you see that brush? I can slide this back and brush some in and shake my hand and close it up. I mean, are you seeing them go in?
Yes, I'm watching them all crawl inside. I've got it on video too.
You're videoing this?
Yeah, I've been videoing for the last 2 minutes.
I don't know that the brush is ideal, but I got it off the porch. But it's soft.
And look up, Jeremy, they're not going back to the branch.
No, they're crawling off my thumb and getting in the box.
You can see it?
Yeah. Yeah, they're crawling off my thumb and going in. My thumb's like the primary landing spot, I think.
You want me to brush your hand?
No. They are spraying as hard as they can go, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
I can smell it.
You can smell it?
Yeah,
What's it smell like?
lemon. Yeah, they're streaming in. They are. Are they almost out of the air?
There's like a handful, probably like 100 flying around.
But it's a lot better than it was, and they're not on the branch.
And they're not going in the branch.
So they're all landed here.
Yep.
They're all going in. So another 10 minutes, we'll have them all.
We'll have them all.
You have probably less than 20 in the air.
Okay, we'll
Yeah.
be patient and hang tight, because I see them crawling in now. At least the ones on my thumb are crawling in.
Yeah, the other ones are just spraying to indicate, I think.
Earlier when you did it, you had a bunch in the air above the tree line. Now you have probably less than 20 above the tree line. And it's pretty clear that they're all circling and heading down. At least that's what I see from the driveway. Our driveway.
Cody, next one I'm going to let you do this. Okay?
Alright.
He doesn't sound very excited.
I've got
about
2
that.
under my belt now.
I'll do it. I don't know if it's scary.
Scary?
What if I mess up?
What's scary about it?
Failure?
Oh my gosh.
You don't learn anything. If you
Hey,
fail.
every bee you catch is one bee you didn't have.
That's cool.
I'll be your wingman if
Oh.
I don't have to cook.
You'll be my wingman.
Can't believe Adam's climbed up in the tree.
You didn't tell her about my olive tree thingy?
Olives don't have thorns, do they?
No, but it was a tall tree.
Not only are there bees, but I'm looking at spider webs, dude.
These ones on top haven't been going anywhere. Are they still in the air?
Nope.
Not really, huh?
There's probably like, yeah, just a handful. 50 flying around.
They all got off your belly too.
Okay, so they're almost all in.
Yeah.
Get off my thumb. Get off my thumb. Go in.
There you go.
Give me that brush.
Here's the brush.
Are you holding the box?
Now I am
Just whack them.
on my face.
Yeah.
Alright, just close it.
Oh.
That brush didn't help, did it?
What's that, guys?
Brush them in right there. Brush them in right there. There you go. Close it, close it, close it.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Cool.
Here, I got the box. Take this. Okay. I'm going to hand the box down to you. At least for a second. The lid's not on. So, can you hold it? You got it? You got it. Okay. We got the bulk of
They're gonna leave all those other guys behind.
it. To me.
Here's the phone.
Yep.
It's still recording.
Hi.
Adam, you need help getting down?
Okay.
I think I got